Rise and shine, all ionized. I affirm all is well. So I wanted to just show you some of the birds that I've seen so far in Ethiopia. Now I don't know any of the bird species name, so just bear with me. Just follow along and see the unique birds. Just flow into it. Hear some of the sounds that the birds make, the callings that the birds make. Enjoy. Ashe. There's two of them now. They're talking to each other.
Excuse that plastic right there. I just finished sweeping. I'm about to pick it up, but yeah, you see the birds right there. Yeah, birds. Hey, birds. What y'all doing? I'm looking for food. What y'all eating? You see the birds each? You see the birds and the ducks?
Oh, they even got like a berry tree in here for them to eat berries. And they got some fruit down there. Hi. Every time I come up here, I'm just like, wow. This is truly a gift.
Yeah. A boat. A boat. Yeah.